Hi.
Hello.
I'm Hira Hosèn, and I'm here to catalyze global ascension, and this is my sister,
Gina Badamo, and we are here to bring forth a light language transmission to all of you beautiful people.
Yeah, we have done some, but not like, this publicly, so we're pretty excited, and
we're here in this beautiful cave in a Cathar castle in France right now.
Yeah, and when we started to climb it up, I mean, before the sky was completely blue, it was like 40 degrees blue, super hot. And then we started...
And then it started thundering and lightning and pouring rain on us, so that's why we're soaking wet.
Yeah. So I think it needed some clearing, and, I think the sky is pretty happy with
Mother Earth is here with us, and she's ready.
Yeah. So our intentions are...
we're going to be bringing through a transmission on healing Earth and all of her inhabitants.
Yeah. Like the human collective, also the human collective, like out, out in space, like the human collective, but especially on this planet, right?
Mm-hmm. To help catalyze our ascension and our healing.
For everyone.
Thank you for being with us.
Oh, yeah, and there is this whole story by Mary Magdalene, and we're in a Cathar place, so there's this whole story about how they were persecuted, and we both have past lives about that, so anything related to the Cathar and Mary Magdalene, we're definitely,
and releasing that fear of persecution and really fully stepping into our potential as a human race and stepping fully into our empowerment. Speaking our truth.
Yeah, and you remember your past lives where you were persecuted or punished for your bringing your power out. This is also for us to, that's what we are like feeling all day already. That we're kind of like going through.
The truth.
So I'm feeling a lot of things in my womb, and like I really feel like we're passing through a lot of initiations and very connected to Mary Magdalene.
And we went on a pilgrimage yesterday together.
We went to Sainte Marie de la Mer, where Mary Magdalene actually landed after the crucifixion of Jesus, and with her whole family and their daughter Sarah, and she's still honored there. So we're like full on this flow, so that's also part of this transmission.
Honoring the Cosmic Mother.
O great Mother, divine feminine, birther of the cosmos, lover unto spirit, creatrix of all matter and queen of all worlds within worlds and those without, we call you to us in this hour. We are your children, hear our call. We are the daughters and sons of your divine union, the flesh of your passion for life. You who lay with spirit, our Father, in the beginning of time, and brought us forth from the blessed union of spirit and matter. We are your children, the sons and daughters of your flesh and your heart, and we remember your touch and the fragrance of your essence, and we long for you. Come to our hearts and gift us the remembering. Come to our minds and open our genius. Enlighten us with your presence. Draw back the veils that we might see, and hearken the doors to open, that beauty and ecstasy may live in our homes and hearts more fully. This is our hour of greatest need. We call you through fire and water, through earth and wind, through all that bears your name. We call all your lineages and all your names. Come unto us, come into us, so be it.
Shimik hakt ein an the toy in a hoim. Mishayete Mishachemene finishinato Yenekoyeneto Maya Maya Shinitia Shea Sea Yemekena Huyahayenete Amiahe Iniatemiane Miachemia Shimia Miatemimhoe Watch Miete Yanachinyate Yanatem Yachinyate Mishai Wana Shachak Setinyachate Wana Fanyakaim Nikak Sekshin Fiakanito Miachanyakte Yanakayim Yane Yanakayim Yane Yanakayim Nate Winatia Shayanate Se Winakate Anashiase Menatimya Kaino Uyanakete Nanatia Khaninate miahaye Nimikhuinate Nimikhuinane Nimikhuinate Mishakhain khofshanakhain Nimikhuinate Winachim yashinakhaina Yenate Kemet ach et un oshkvakhanin Mine khahi shesefek khain dod Uya shemina himin shisit Uya shemina khain dujust Kemet khain etit oshkot et khalin Yene mine khain of oshkot Nemahe shachet nid fochot Nemechaine shine fakhay in the tutushk Timisiati Shinitiatina Shinatiati